Common name, Kyoto Neon honey processed loquat and fritillary syrup. Product name,
京都念慈庵蜜炼川贝枇杷膏
Pinyin, full code, Jindonian Xian, main components, fritillaria, loquat leaf, southern san ginseng, poria, orange peel, platycodon, panelia, 5-flavored gourd, winter flower, yuanji, bitter almond, ginger, licorice. Specifications, 150 milliliters. Usage and dosage. Oral administration, adults 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon each time. For children, the dosage should be halved. Indications and functions: moistens the lungs, transforms phlegm, relieves cough, alleviates asthma, protects the throat, benefits the kidney essence, regulates qi, soothes the mind, and reduces heat. Suitable for wind, cold cough, viscous phlegm, abundant phlegm, asthma, dry and itchy throat, hoarseness. Contraindications: diabetic patients are prohibited. Avoid smoking, alcohol, spicy, raw, cold, and greasy foods. Precautions: people with chronic diseases such as liver and kidney diseases should take it under the guidance of a doctor. If there is no improvement in symptoms after 1 week of use, or if symptoms worsen during medication, stop using it and seek medical attention. Prohibited for those allergic to this product. Use with caution for those with allergic constitution. Do not use when the characteristics of the product change. Children must use it under adult supervision. Keep out of reach of children. Consult a doctor or pharmacist before use if using other medications. Pregnant or lactating women, children, and the elderly should use it under the guidance of a doctor. Drug interactions. If taken with other drugs, drug interactions may occur. Consult a doctor for details. Storage. Store in a cool and dry place, sealed until use. Packaging. Glass bottle, 150 milliliters per bottle. Shelf life, 36 months. Standard. Imported drug registration standard. Result 20,020,004. Approval number ZC 20,100,005. Manufacturer
京都念慈庵总厂有限公司
Kyoto Neon General Field Xio, L.